Okay, guys, hotel review time. This hotel is called the Royal Paradise Hotel and Spa and is located in Patong, Phuket, Thailand. I was there in October of 2023. This is an older hotel, but you can see it's been renovated, and for the most part, things look pretty good. This is a four-star hotel, or considered a four-star hotel. It has a rating of 7.9 out of 10 with over 15,000 reviews. Minibar, stocked, and has something I've never seen before. It has a condom. I think that's a pretty good idea. I would say the rating is pretty accurate based on my time there. Comes with a safe. The bathroom, like the room, it's a little bit old. It is the most water I've seen in a toilet in a very long time. But the bathroom itself is nice. The shower is good. Everything worked as it should. This hotel cost me 2,500 baht for the night, which included breakfast. But I booked last minute, like literally minutes before I checked in. The normal price seems to be about 1,700 baht. I had a corner room on the 10th floor with a wraparound balcony, which was kind of cool. Got to see a lot more that way. Kind of a sea view, but the sea is a long ways away. I was at the back of the building. Like I said, this hotel is a bit old, and for me, its best feature is definitely the location. There's the swimming pool. It's located just minutes walk to the beach, the walking street, hundreds of bars and restaurants. Location is really good in my opinion. Closer than most of the other nicer hotels anyway. Access to the swimming pool is in the lobby. This is on the 24th floor. Like I said, I was on the 10th. On the 24th floor is a bar, I guess. I went there for my welcome drink, which was fruit juice, and not good fruit juice at that. It wasn't worth the trip, but the views were good. But you can see from the windows, this is the whole hotel. That's the stairs to go to the 25th floor. The only way to get there is from here. And there's a restaurant up there. I'll show you that in a minute. There's the bar. The only other person there was the bartender. Only one elevator goes to the 24th floor. There's three in the hotel. I think it's the one in the middle. There's the restaurant. Nice place. A little dated in my opinion. I was there in the middle of the afternoon and it was empty. I don't know if it gets busy or not. I have no idea. This hotel has three restaurants, and I'll show you the other two in a minute. Going down the elevator, pretty interesting. I'll put a link to Agoda in the video description if you want to check out the prices on your date. This is the lobby. Pretty nice. There's a restaurant here as well, which is really nice. Right here, it's beautiful. One of the complaints on this hotel, or a lot of the complaints, is the staff being slow. The check-in here was painful. It really was really slow, but that's not on the staff. The amount of things they have to handwrite is ridiculous. The policies of the hotel is old-fashioned at best. The pool really nice. It's got a swim-up bar. It's a beautiful place actually, and nice to see it getting used. This other building here, I think that's a part of the hotel as well. but I didn't go over there. I know nothing about it, but that's where I parked, underneath that building. Really nice. The customer service, like I say, everybody complained about it, but I had no problem with them. They were friendly, they knew what they were doing. It's just stupid policies that the hotel has in place, in my opinion. That's the hotel at night. The third restaurant is where breakfast is served. Access this from the lobby. You gotta go up one flight of stairs. Breakfast was okay, 4 out of 5. No bacon, but the bread was really, really good. Plenty of selection and everything there. Just normal Thailand hotel breakfast. But the bread was spectacular. Getting to the $1 million question, would I stay in this hotel again? Absolutely. Location, location, location. For me anyway, it's right in the middle of everywhere that I want to go. But that's it, guys. That is my opinion based on when I was there and nothing else. I only stayed one night. I wish I could have stayed longer. I just didn't have the time. For me, the hotel checked all the boxes. A little bit old, but not too bad. I had an inflated price. That's my own fault for not having the plan. But such is life. All right, guys. As always, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. Link to Agoda is in the video description. If you want to check out the prices on your date, you will probably pay quite a bit less than I did.